Hello, everybody. My name is Evan with Scott Leroy Marketing. Today's quick tip video is going to be how you can replace the contact that's associated with an opportunity. In order to do this, you are going to want to go into your command account by going to agent.kw.com and log in using your KW username and password. From your command dashboard, we're going to go ahead and go over to our icons on the left-hand side, and we're going to click on the one that looks like two hands shaking, and that's going to be our opportunities. From our opportunities dashboard, we're going to make sure that we know, one, whether or not this opportunity is in our team account or personal account. If you are not on a team, then you will just simply go to your personal account. If you are on a team and it is in the team account, make sure that you have the permissions needed in order to make this change. Or if you're the rainmaker of the team, then you will be able to make this change. So we're going to go ahead and click on the phase that the opportunity currently lives. So for today, we're going to be going to our active, and we're going to click on our Brittany SLM listing. This is the opportunity that we're going to use for today's purposes. Now, from your opportunity details, we're going to click on this little pencil that's next to the key information. And you see here we have the contact name, and it says Brittany Test. We're going to go ahead and click on this X to the right. And this is going to allow us to search for our contacts through our contacts' names. And we're going to click on Ashley Casto. Now we're going to go ahead and click on save. You are able to click preview if you would like. And this is going to give you like a little preview mode of what it would look like out here in the detail section. We're going to go ahead and click save. And now, as you can see, contact name, Ashley Casto, has been edited. All right, guys, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us, support@scottleroymarketing.com. We'll be more than happy to assist you. Have a wonderful day.